front of me is Honor Magic V2, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by going into Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it and hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Then select Timeout and click on Infinite at the top if it's not already on. Following that, you can close your app and Play Store. Go into Tab menu and use this icon at the top right corner next to the gear one. Then select Edit Shortcut Switch. Look for your new Caffeine shortcut over here, hold it and drag it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to and let go. Finally, hit Done at the bottom right corner and click on your new shortcut to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!